When God restores, it's better than your position before the peril. When God restores, it's total, it's full, it's complete. God's restoration is quality and quantity. It's not just quantity, it's also qualitative. God is interested in the numbers. He will restore quantity, he also wants to restore quality. What does that mean? God can restore life and non-life. He can restore animate and inanimate. God's restoration is both quantitative and qualitative. At the gate of Samaria, 2 Kings chapter 7 verse 1, at the gate of Samaria, they've been without food. If you read chapter 6, 2 Kings chapter 6, there was no food in Samaria. In fact, they got to a point where they ate their children for food. And one woman cried to the king. And the king says, am I God? And the king tore his robe. And all of a sudden, Elisha appeared. And the man of God, remember, the famine was severe to an extent where they killed their children for food. And the man of God appeared, like I am appearing to you tonight. This is a prophetic service. This service will turn your life around. There will be a change in your life, a change in your destiny. In the mighty name of Jesus. The word I speak to you, they are spirit and they are life. This word will envelope you. Sevenfold job is coming. Sevenfold husband is coming. Sevenfold children is coming. Children like no other. It's coming into your life, coming into your destiny. And Elisha appeared and said, by this time tomorrow, a measure of flour, fine flour, shall be sold for a shekel. And 2 measures of barley shall be sold for a shekel. By this time tomorrow. By this time tomorrow, your status has changed. By this time tomorrow, there is a movement upward. By this time tomorrow, you will not be jobless. By this time tomorrow, no more sickness in your body. In fact, as I speak right now, I command that sickness to evaporate. Die instantly. In the name of Jesus, check your body right now. Healing in your body. In the mighty name of Jesus, every doctor's report, negative doctor report, I command you to catch fire. By this time tomorrow, a measure of fine flour shall be sold for a shekel.